Okay, and so today we're going to be talking about tide pools or rock pools. It's the same thing. Sorry about that. It just means the same thing, different words. So I just want to explain what this is, and then I'm going to also give you a video a really cool video to show you some creatures that you find in a tide pool. Okay, so here's a tide pool, right? I'll explain what this is. So over here, when you go to the ocean, right, or the sea, um, not at the beach. Sometimes you see there's rocky places like this on the side. So you'll see that just this is the ocean, and just pretend it goes this way, goes that way, and it goes on forever, right? And then this is a rock, and sometimes you'll see the rock is high in front, and then it comes down and it's low, and then there's some water here. And that makes the tide pool. Okay, but how does the water get from here to here? So that happens when the low tide, I put it here, becomes a high tide. So what's the difference, right? Low tide is when the ocean is, so the ocean makes waves, right? And the sea makes waves, and it splashes and splashes. But when it's low tide, then it means the water level is low, so it will stay like here. But as the day goes on, um, the water gets higher and higher and starts going higher and higher and rising, and then eventually it comes over the rock, and the water comes in there. Okay, and it starts splashing over, or the water high tide will come till here. It will become very high, and the water will splash in, and it will fill this tide pool a little bit. Okay, so then this fills up with some water, and then the water goes down again, and when the waves splash over, um, creatures or animals come into this tide pool as well. Okay, animals like fish, crabs, octopus, so many different animals, sea animals come in here. Okay, and we can come and explore what is in this tide pools with the sea animals, which is kind of nice because we can't always swim in the ocean, or it's a little bit more difficult, and it's easier to come, and because the water here is quite shallow, so you can sometimes stand here and you can explore and lift up rocks to see what's in this tide pool. Okay, so I'm gonna put up a video, and a guy's gonna go exploring with you and showing you a tide pool, and you're going to see some of the sea animals that's in the tide pool. Okay guys, thank you.